Group 2 from Group 1 Design Project.
Hello, my name is Wang Xingfu. My metric number is ES02811.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm from Group 1, so my name is Surisman bin Aris. My metric number is 193496.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Safwan bin Anwari and my matrix number is 192074. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I would like to present about the disadvantages of the manual painting robot and also the advantages of manual painting robot and also the global markets of the future autonomous wall painting robot. So firstly, what is the disadvantages of the manual painting robot? Firstly, the time, it consumes much time, so it takes much cost, and also it is ineffective. So further, what is the future autonomous wall painting robot? So it is very fast, it is also durable, easy to use, and friendly. So it's a future for our 4.0 industrial revolution. So we carry forward to the global markets of the autonomous wall painting robot. Okay, this is the overview of the autonomous painting robots of the global market. So in 2016, Asia Pacific, which Asia Pacific? Of course, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Japan, Korea, and other countries in Asia Pacific was the highest contributor to painting robot market and is anticipated secure the leading position during the forecast period due to extensive demand and strong manufacturing base of automotive sector. So global painting robot market is expected to reach 209 million by 2023 and growing at a CAGR of 10.4% from year 2016 to 2023. Next. Okay, so it is divided into 4 segments, which is type, application, end user, and region. As you can see, global painting robots is classified by 4 types, which is floor-mounted painting robot, wall-mounted painting robot, rail-mounted painting robot, and other. So, floor-mounted painting robot is projected as one of the most lucrative segment. Next. Okay, so this is a global painting robots market by application. So, it's included 2, which is interior painting, exterior painting. So, based on this graph, interior painting hold a dominant position in 2016 and would continue to maintain the lead over the forecast period. Okay, so for the end user industry, so it used in automotive, aerospace, construction, and other industrial application. And so for the competition analysis, the key players that use this competition analysis, which is the company like Kawasaki Robotics, ABB, Fenyu, Yaskawa, Kuka Robotics Group System. This company is from the country that is already advanced in the technology of the autonomous wall painting robot. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Alright, now I will talk to you about the drone market, which actually we need to know a little bit history of drone, which is actually the drone is started in 1839, which is the Austrian area attacked the city of Venice by using a balloon that filled with explosion. But unfortunately, the balloon is flew back away to the Australian area. So that's the first invention, which is the first drone that we've seen in this world. And then in the start of 2006, there's an official commercial of drone that we produce. So after the 2006, there's until up now, there's an increase of market value of the drone itself. So this is the graph of, actually we can see from 2009 and 2024, there's an increase of 15% of market value of the drone, which is the largest market is in the North America. This is the company that been leading up until now, the drone company. So next, this is the chart which show that the application of the drone itself. Why it's increased in market value? Because as we can see in this chart, the largest contribution in market value of drone is construction. So that's why construction, as we produce a drone that is wall painting drone, so this is a construction shows that it's show a high market value for our product. And next, This is the region and the application that apply in the world right now, which we can see Asia Pacific include Malaysia also that use this type of drone to use it in the application. And finally, and the next one, this, as we can see, the Malaysia also one of the highest market value of drone up until now. Okay, that's all.
Alright, so now we've talked about the high potential market value of wall painting robots in general. And we've seen alongside it the high potential and the increasing market value of drones. So what we did, we combined these two, basically having the best of both worlds. What we ended up with our product, which is a wall painting drone. I'll let our main designer explain more about this.
Okay, now I will introduce the design of our painting robots. So why do we design our painting robots like a drone? Because the drone is lighter, more portable, and easier to manufacture. And it can fly everywhere, so it's very suitable for high-level painting. We also import some new ideas in our design. We consider the emergent case, so we just add the solar panel to provide the power when the power supply is wrong. We also consider the limitation of paint and the power, so we just add the paint pipe inert and the wire to connect with the paint box and the power respectively. So it can provide unlimited sources. We also consider the impulse force, so we add 4 springs at each supporter to absorb impulse force. That's all for our design.
Alright, so now it's time for the price and costing of our design. So as we've said here, we've estimated the cost of 103,000 ringgit for the total project cost. Now, of course, this is worth it as an investment point of view because we can see the high potential market value for wall painting robots, and then we saw the high potential market value for drones. So what we did, we actually combined these two, giving us a wall painting drone. So this is what we believe is the next stage in Industrial Revolution 4.0. Automation is what is coming next. Whether we like it or not, automation is going to be the next stage of Industrial Revolution 4.0. So this is why our design consists of a wall painting robot and a drone. Honestly, for our investors, this is the best we can do because it's low risk, high potential market value, great investment research, and a overall low budget. So honestly, what I think, the one question that our investors are going to be having a few years from now is that why didn't they invest more? From the Wall Painting Drone Association, good day.
How is it? Are you ready to invest in our design and prototype? So, think about it.